almost 350 square meters of sail.
In last episode we sailed from the busy Ambon to the beautiful island of Hoga, part of Wakatobi.
This morning, I said to myself, should I laugh or should I cry? When I woke up this morning.
Time for snorkeling and diving and an interesting visit at the Bau village, a local gypsy village built on poles in the water.
Or should I cry? It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today.
After that it was just a short sail, 25 miles, to Wangi Wangi, the capital of Wakatobi, where we all fitted in the local marina on a floating pontoon.
Beautiful sail. Jack, this is Inky Blue. Pleasure to help you. We wish you luck and look forward to seeing you in a long while.
It's a bit of a great day and we're sailing from Hoga, from Kaladupa, to the main island of Wakatobi, Wangi Wangi, go around it and then here into the little lagoon through a little channel. It's only 25 miles today.
It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. It's a beautiful, beautiful,
16 knots.
beautiful day today.
16 knots. 90 knots of true wind speed. I have to focus, eh?
Yeah.
Building up. 13, 14, 14 and a half.
It looks very easy and calm. We're going 13 knots now, 14 knots. You don't even see it. 14 and a half.
Let's go, baby.
Checking the last part. Only 3 miles to go.
When I woke up this morning, I said to myself, should I laugh or should I cry? Funny little things can make my day. Funny little things can take it away. It's a beautiful day.
YouTube.
So can you tell me what you're doing now?
I'm working with you and I'm working, I'm studying.
So you're learning English, or?
Yes, I learn English. I learn English for the hours. Subscribe.
We were there at the time of Woman Festival. Plenty of opportunity for the artists among the Gliwo fleet to perform on stage.
Mouvement régulier, je fléchis.
Ah, très bien.
Il regarde même pas.
Merci mes garçons, mes jeunes filles. À tout à l'heure.
Ouais, à demain.
À demain? Ah ok, c'est ça.
Ah oui.
From Wangi Wangi is just a day sail to Bau Bau, the city with over 200,000 inhabitants, where Marijke would return to the boat.
So today is the last leg with the helmetjes. We're going to Bau Bau city. It's about 80 miles. You have to go around the corner here. Thomas in the morning when he didn't have a rough night and he went to sleep on time. Most of the boats in the fleet are heading to Bau Bau.
Just a drop in the ocean. Just a flash in the night.
And here in front of us we also see something. So yeah, we really have to keep an eye on the sea. Also checking the sail.
There's still a long way to go. I think I'm beginning to see the light.
Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground. Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds.
Nino just recorded 24 knots there at the corner. Should be okay.
Keep your feet on the ground.
In Baubau, most of us had to extend their 30-day visum for another 30 days, which will be enough for the remainder of our stay in Indonesia before we cross the Indian Ocean.
Keep your feet on the ground. Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep your feet on the ground.
A very big thank you to Joost and Thomas, who helped me sail the boat from the north of Australia all the way to Bau Bau. And I'm sure that we'll see Joost back later on in our journey. It looks like he's coming back on board in Brazil. Thomas in the spot where he has the most added value.
While we're sleeping safe and sound, there's still a long way to go. I think I'm beginning to see the light. The world keeps turning around while we're sleeping safe and sound.
Hey, Pierre solved it!
Way to go.
Good job, Pierre.
I think I'm beginning to see the light.
Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground.
This is the beach of a very famous YouTubing fisherman.
Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground.
Didn't want to go any other way than at 4 in the morning with amazing music in the background.
Yeah, they're saying goodbye to you.